Ever wondered how to identify weeds in your garden? The trick lies in understanding their unique characteristics. Let's start with growth patterns. Weeds can be annual, biennial, or perennial, and understanding their life cycle can give you a clue to their identity. Next, let's talk leaf structures. Weeds have a wide range of leaf shapes and sizes, from the broad, rounded leaves of dandelions to the feathery fronds of Queen Anne's lace. Paying attention to these details can help you distinguish between friend and foe in your garden. Last but not the least, consider the root systems. Some weeds, like crabgrass, spread via surface runners, while others, like dandelions, have a deep taproot system that can make them particularly challenging to eradicate. Remember, timely weed identification is crucial. The sooner you can identify these invaders, the quicker you can prevent them from choking out your desirable plants. Once you've identified the invaders, it's time to take action. Now that you know what you're dealing with, it's time to declare war on those pesky weeds. There are several ways to do this, from getting down and dirty with hand pulling to strategic hoeing, mulching, or even using organic or chemical weed killers. The trick is to choose the right method for your specific weed and garden situation. Don't forget, each weed is unique and requires a tailored approach. Remember, the best defense is a good offense. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your garden weed-free.